Looking for the right vehicle? Check out the 2023 Outback. This vehicle is powered by a all-wheel drive, 4-cylinder, 2.5-liter engine. Great fuel efficiency saves you money by requiring fewer trips to the gas station. This vehicle has less than 100 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: power windows with safety reverse, hill descent control, active grille shutters, traction control, stability control, power brakes, braking assist. Inside you'll find rear view camera, leather trim seats, Wi-Fi hotspot compatible, audio, internet radio, Pandora, airbags, front dual seat cushion, airbags, driver, knee, audio radio, touchscreen display, upholstery, contrast stitching, electronic messaging assistance with read function, electronic messaging assistance with voice recognition. Take the go-anywhere capability of all-wheel drive and plenty of room for cargo and companions, and you've got the Subaru Outback. Let the adventure begin. Searching for a dependable vehicle that looks great too? You found it, so stop in today.